Welcome! Today we will learn how to do the slip stitch. Abbreviated. And its symbol appears on the screen. The reason why it's called slip stitch because we slip the yarn and pull it through the first loop on the hook. It's also because it's the shortest of all crochet stitches. There is almost no height for this stitch. We can say it's more like a technique rather than a stitch. So the main purpose of it is to join work when we are working in rounds. If we need to join two pieces together, we do this with a slip stitch. Or we can use it to form a ring or a circle. So for example, I have this ring here. Basically it was a chain and I joined it with a slip stitch. And here, as we can see how it looks, it has very little height as we said before. It's not a new row, it's considered part of the last row. So here, we pulled the yarn through the chain and the loop on the hook in one motion. Slip stitches are composed into the stitches of the last row. We'll demonstrate it more clearly now. So here's our chain. And we want to make a closed ring of it. This is the first loop on the hook. And we need to join both ends of the chain to form a ring. So we insert the hook into the last stitch. Like so. Then we yarn over and pull through both loops. We join them together with a slip stitch. Again. This is the main loop on the hook. Then insert the hook into the last loop of the chain. Yarn over. And pull through this loop, and the second loop as well. Now we formed a ring or a circle, joined it with a slip stitch. We'll demonstrate more how to do it. Take a look at this piece of work here. We'll start slip stitching like so. This is the first loop, then yarn over and pull through. And into the next stitch, then yarn over and pull through. We pull the second loop through the first loop like so. Yarn over and pull through, then pull the second loop through the first loop. Pull the second loop through the first loop. All what we're doing is slipping the yarn and pulling it through the loop. It's getting more clear now. As we can see, it's sort of embedded into the last row of our work. It has no height, it's inside the work. Now we've finished learning the slip stitch. Thank you.